Hey guys, my name's Caitlin Kennedy and I'm an official Olaplex advocate. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Olaplex number 6 and number 7. This is my mannequin Bianca. We're going to go ahead and give her a quick shampoo and then blow her out using the Olaplex number 6 and 7 for our styling products. We're going to start by using our Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother mixed in with our number 7 bonding oil. My favorite way to use these is by mixing the two together and applying on wet hair before a blowout. The Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother is a moisturizing leave-in cream that offers you heat protection while blow drying, as well as humidity control for up to 72 hours. The Olaplex number 7 bonding oil provides lightweight shine and heat protection for up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Both the Olaplex number 6 and 7 can be used on wet or dry hair and can be mixed together to create your desired style. Just keep in mind that these products are very concentrated, so a little bit will go a long way. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.